An oil tank is among a home's most important components, essential to bringing heat and comfort to homeowners. The experts at C2G Environmental Consultants with offices on Long Island, the Hudson Valley, New Jersey, and Connecticut offer homeowners 7 signs of oil tank replacement. Any tank out of manufacturer warranty, typically 10 years, should be inspected and replaced. Today's oil tanks are safer, more durable, and efficient. Underground tanks can leak and create an environmental hazard, with cleanup costs the responsibility of the homeowner.
Here on Long Island, environmental issues are a very big concern, mainly because when underground oil tanks leak, they can affect the soil and the groundwater that we drink.
Mortgage and insurance companies consider the liability of a buried tank and may even refuse to provide loans or write policies. Above-ground tanks need to pass inspection. If your tank is old, potential buyers or your fuel company may ask you to replace the tank entirely as a condition of sale or to receive future deliveries. Wet spots under or on the tank are signs of a leak and cannot be repaired. The tank must be replaced. Most oil tanks are made of steel and can rust over time. When you see signs of corrosion, chipping paint, or dent marks, it's time to call the professionals. Often the result of improper installation, unstable, uneven, or corroded legs are a sign of needed repair and may reflect the overall poor condition of your tank. Check to see if your fuel gauge and/or vent alarm are stuck, broken, or malfunctioning. If you hear buzzing, feel a vibration, or your oil burner fails to ignite, your oil line may be clogged. Hard-to-see clogs can result from sludge buildup because of condensation and bacterial growth. If you're seeing higher consumption and therefore higher heating costs, your underground tank may be leaking. Contact a licensed and certified technician.
Most of our clients would like to know how long this process actually takes. To install a new tank and to remove their old tank is typically 6 to 7 hours.
Having a fully functioning and energy-efficient oil tank can save on heating bills. For oil tank service, removal, remediation, or installation, rely on C2G Environmental.
C2G has over 15 years of experience helping tri-state homeowners with oil tank and environmental issues.
Our fully licensed OSHA-certified geologists, hydrogeologists, and environmental technicians bring the right experience and knowledge to effectively address any oil spill, storage tank issue, or concern.